Hi all, welcome back. My name is Tasfai. This is the last and the 15th video of on the series of videos on how to read and write Afan Oromo language. We have been through lots of different videos on starting from the sound is the alphabet is, and then how to write and read. We have seen some rules in Oromo. I'm sure these are the core um, rules and areas one needs to learn Oromo at least at the basic level and to for communicate, but purely saying that there is a need for exercise here and also listening to videos and music and joining conversations is much helpful. Today I am going to conclude this lesson here with a few helpful tips and also plan for the other based on the feedback I get from you, how much that is useful, how much you want to proceed, and this by far is basic Oromo language, and that just much tuned to introducing the language to you. And for those who speak Oromo already and have been struggling on how to spell, the rules are really helpful, and I hope that you benefit from those. In the next few times, I will be doing similar videos in Afan Oromo, so that those people who are requesting me to do in Afan Oromo and Amharic as well benefit from that. Today we are going to see how we write statement, how we conclude statements. I just call them concluders. That's our when we conclude statements or sentences, what are the sounds, the verb, the words we use there, and it is helpful for communication language. I a little bit adapted from my previous listing to this because I thought this is better than the previous listing. So there are some of them I have here for you. I'm going to go through. So the way we say, actually, it could be a statement, it could be a question. But bear in mind, in my last video, I said a question mark is just not a question, just like in English, for example, or in any other language. So if there is no question, it is a statement then, or it is a sentence. Oh. So here we can see I'm looking at these three different scenarios: one short, one long with question mark. So as you can see, these are three different things in speaking Oromo language. So let's go see one by one. Ati kormeedha. So this is short. Ati kormeedha. So this is a compound word DH as da. I'm sure you struggle with saying this sound. Da is specific to Oromo. That is this sound is not in any other language as far as I know. So try to pronounce it. It's not da. It is ah, ah, ah. So your tongue a little bit comes out and stuck into your upper jaw to read it. Ah. Ah is just like are or is. It's can't be defined like that or is or am, but it has it bears that meaning of is or are or am. At Cormeda, you are clever, you are strong. Ani baratada, same. Ani baratada, I am a student. Ani nama garida, still the same. I am a good person. Ani nama garida. In some Oromo dialects, gari has a different meaning, and could be said also ani nama dansa da, especially in the Borana dialect, in Borana areas bordering Kenya, or in Oromo living in Kenya. Ani nama dansa da is the correct there, but this is also means good person. Gari means good, while gari in some place could be another, I think it is a vehicle, car, like that. So these are these affirmatives, positives. So, but that gonna change when it goes into question at the end. So this is a different one, though it is the same, but it is now longer because of the question. But it is also possible at the end. Just that is also possible at the end. But it is not a kind of proper questions, but kind of rude as well. Sometimes at the end you are, who are you? At the end you are, BK Esada. BK Esada. Look at these two, they are both the same. So we can't say BK Esada. BK Esada. There's no difference there. There's no difference. BK Esada. BK Esada. Then comes to should have been like that because it can't stand by itself. No, it's not that one. I mean this one. So this is a prefix, a suffix, sorry, or afterword. Afterword. It's part of the word, but it can be considered like it is after, attached to afterward. Like here, Java is another word. Is the attached, the prefix for that. Java. And most of Oromo words have this structure with da, Jabada, Ulfada, Galatefada, Waljalada, Nyada, Ergada, Damada, Ilalada, lots. There is, it's really hard to say the meaning, but it is also reflective to the plural, and also reflective. Reflective means it more like how can I say? Like here, Waljalada, love each other. So it refers to both or all of the people. It is more either plural or as a indication of respect. Ulfada can be for money or can be for a honorable person. Galati fada. This is the same. Can be for money or for an honorable person. So it's not a concluder, but it is can be confused when we write that. We can't write like that. We can't write like that. It should be attached to the word. There are lots of words like this in Oromo. Maybe we will see this in advanced Oromo writing. Let's go to the next. The other one is mit or miti. Mit or miti has the meaning of, you're gonna see it. Adun jia mit. Adun jia mit. The sun is not the moon. The sun is not the moon. Kunifi sun tokko mit. Kunif sun tokko mit. This and that are not the same. This is still a statement, it's not a question. But when it comes to question, tokko lama mit. Well, this is also affirmative, sorry. Tokko lama mit. This one is, sorry, not, one is not two, or one is not two. So that's affirmative as well. And here it is a question. Atinama miti. Atinama miti. So there is a question mark here, and that is also ta is long here. If we say atinama mit, that is affirmative. Atinama miti. If we say atinama miti, are you not human? That's a question. Kunif sun tokko miti. That's a question as well. Kunif sun tokko miti. Are these, and I was showing combinations of this. I will come back to that. Are these or this? So there is no concept of plurality here in all of this. So we can either say, is this the same as that, or is this the same? Is this the same as that? Is this and that the same, or are this and that the same? Could be plural or singular. Here as well. This is a person. Here we can use the same, like kunif sun. So there could be a plural statement there. Atinaga miti. Atinaga miti. Are you not okay? Ani Oromo miti. This is also a question. Am I not Oromo? That is miti. Miti short for affirmative statements, and the miti for a question. Here another one. Let me drop that down here. Kun kanketi. So this is another concluder. Kun kanketi. This is yours. Sun kan isat. That is his. It's affirmative statement. Your own kan isanit. The time is theirs. Kun kanketi. Now it's a question. kun kan keetii, sun kan jaraatii, sun kan jaraatii, isheen maal keetii, isheen maal keetii. So these are some of the concluders that we use. We can start with this, and in advanced Oromo we can go into other many especially words that confuse people in writing, that where most people fail to write correctly, even those native speakers as well. So we'll present to you in the next group of videos, an intermediate probably, or in advanced Oromo. Please subscribe to follow to the notes. Also, if you have any questions, you can write down onto the comment below each video where you want to ask me questions. But if you don't want to share your view to public, you can write to me. If you know any questions on how to read and write Afan Oromo that you want to share privately, you can write to me. Or if you need urgent translation for yourself only, I'm not working on translations, you can write to me using that email. Thank you very much, and I hope you benefited from this lesson, and I hope one day you visit Oromia and you develop your language further as well. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.